today we're going to use this dough and 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 this dough. First, we have to look if we have those spoons here. But first, let's open Mr. Crab and those little Play-Dohs. Okay, I'm going to pick this one at the same time, because this is the one that I thought was going to be the blue one. And don't forget red, where it goes here, where it goes here. This is orange. Orange goes this way. And don't forget this goes this way. And don't forget this goes on this little door. And this goes here. This little door is so small. And this goes here, this side. And this green goes this side. Because everyone knows about it. Then a little thing. First, let's do it. And then Mr. Crab is going to say here to his face. And this thing is going to say here. And this goes here to the green. You're going all to the merry-go-round. Uh-oh.
Are you going to start your colorful gingerbread man?
Yeah.
What are you going to use first?
This dough. This looks like a dough. This was the dough. Oops. Okay, guys, let's make it. Okay. Want to lift to right. The water is good and we have to hold it. More good will be no good. Okay. Let's put this right here, this here spot. And we run it out. Okay, people, let's do it. We have to put this side. Okay, let's put it in the oven. Okay, let's get Play-Doh. This is an eye right here. And there we got another one. I'm folding this dough because I'm gonna squish it like Mickey. It's Mickey. Now he needs toes. Mickey still needs toes because he has ears. It's Mickey. So we get a bunch of blue Play-Doh. And blue Play-Doh is gonna work because his ears need little spots. Because this color here, he needs eyes. Super eyes. And he needs this eye. Now he needs feet. Now he needs happy faces. Now this is a checking scope to look. His colorful arm. And now I'm gonna roll it. Whoa, whoa. Because I'm having this colorful hand. Get his feet. He needs feet. Uh-oh. He's almost. He needs arms. There he is. Now his feet now. This goes this way. Because this needs this way. And this goes this way. Okay, you have to wait for it. Okay, it's done. Here you go.
Thank you. This looks so delicious. I'm gonna dig in.
Oh, let me cut it for you.
Oh, sure.
Okay. Okay, here you go. Nose. Here, this nose, this nose.
A nose?
And don't forget to secret nose.
A
Eyes.
secret nose?
No, eyes.
Oh, the eyes. Let's see. One. It's so good. Good.
Okay, you're welcome. Now let's make it again.
Are you gonna make a gingerbread now for Mr. Crab?
Yep. Mr. Crab. Oh, knock, Mr. Crab. Make sure Mr. Crab, Mr. Crab, Mr. Crab. Mr. Crab, do you want a gingerbread man?
Yes, I sure do.
Okay, you stand right here.